Hello everyone, I am Uja in the 4th grade at Shinbuk Elementary School. I will tell you a story, Tweeter the Bird. Tweeter is my favorite bird. He is very clever. I have to be careful whenever I open the door to his cage. He likes to escape. Once he got outside at night, I needed a flashlight to find him. Another time a fence came over as I was feeding Tweeter. I heard the doorbell and went to open the front door. When I returned, Tweeter was on top of the bookcase. It's easy to forget how clever he is. Today I went to give him a treat. I opened the door to his cage and the phone rang. The end. Thank you for listening.